Ayan na. Ella, say hi.
Hi.
Ay, game na game ang bruha. Buti pa yung money tree doon. Ano?
Hi again. Hi again. Hi again.
Ano yung chicken ko? Huwag niyo na pong i-judge. Dami nating inumin. Meron pa ako sa baba. Ito yung bigay niya. Nung inanong ko, chinek ko kung magkano. Ay, sabi ko.
Kano?
19 something.
Oh?
Oo, 1999
Hindi ko alam
yata.
nga kanya.
Hindi ko rin alam first time ko sa
Rose white.
Galing saan?
in-order niya pa yata sa Toronto, parang sa ganun somewhere.
Be from ano?
Saan galing?
Wait lang, ako magbasa eh.
Kakaiba, ang
Ayun
ganda
mo,
ng...
malabo ng mata mo?
Transparent kasi, walang puti.
Diba? Ang ganda ng bote niya, no, ate?
Mm-mm.
Oh, you can use that on going to church.
Why is it
Open mo na.
my clothes? My clothes.
There's toys there too. You can wait.
I can get toys there.
Yeah. Ay! Ang galing ni Ella, ah.
But why clothes? It's not fair for clothes.
You say thank you, anak. You say thank you. Say thank you.
Use that.
That's up inside here.
Oh, you ask daddy to open that.
Toys are more Daddy, open this.
Anong toys is more important?
Dragonfly pa to.
Bilisan mo. Is that yours?
Yeah, it says Caden.
From
Zoe and
Kuya Sian.
Grace.
Oh my God! Open it! Open!
I hope it's toys. What's that? What's that? What's that?
Be careful naman, baka masira.
I can remove it. Yeah. So
Wow! What's that?
Oh, what's this?
This is my chest attack. Mommy, I got this one.
Oh, wow! It's kinetic sand.
I open it right now.
Oh, meron pa. This one pa. Open it, Ella. Oh my God.
Thank you, Ate Joy and Kuya Tian.
Oh, swiss.
Here's the instructions.
Oh, you read the instructions.
Open this for me.
You ask
Here's the
daddy.
battery. Here's the instructions.
Oh, you read it.
I don't know. I can't open it.
Okay.
Mm.
It's for me.
Is that for you?
Yes, it's Caden.
From
Ate Isa.
Ate Isa?
Yeah. What? It's his clothes again.
Hi.
Mommy,
Wag ganyan.
so why clothes?
Wow, it's a monkey. It's nice.
So why I want toys?
Ella, there's one more. The green one.
Wow, you can use it. Oh, let's
Who
see.
is this?
Oh, that's mine. Can you open it for me?
Okay, over here.
Open it for me,
Why?
please.
Okay. I'll open
That's
it.
yours. Try to open it.
Ay,
Here. I get another gift.
thank you.
Here's
Oh
mine.
no, it's
Oh, no.
so nice.
Ella.
Wow, open it.
Well, Mommy, I got it this one. I like it from Kitty Car.
Wow. Wow.
Open the toy. Daddy, cut this with this one. It's so amazing. You look like a lecture like mine.
Uy, Ella, oh. The one that you want?
Yeah.
The color pen. I'll show you how to use it, okay?
Yeah. But first do it with water. Then stick it on here. Use that. This is for me.
Mm-hmm.
No name. It looks no name.
Oh, get that. That's, I don't know. From Tita Army. Open it.
Let's open it. But see, the artist should do a name. I hope it's for. Mommy, it's this one. Look, I tried it. Looks like a lipstick, but
Yeah, it is.
are you
Wow, chocolate. Oh, that's for Ella naman.
Mine.
I don't know
which one.
You have a stand fan
But I don't know
for
which
summer.
Wow.
don't know which one.
Thank you, Ate Zoe.
If they have no
What will you say?
Oh, Ella,
Ati, sorry.
open it.
Oh, that one.
Oh, close it first. Okay.
I will do it.
Oh,
Press again.
thank you, Ate Mai and Kuya Dennis.
That's all I can
Oh,
do.
Can you open?
I'll open for you, Ella.
Mm-hmm.
But this is impossible.
What?
It's perfectly. Daddy, open.
It's perfectly.
Look, Mommy, I got some chocolate.
Yeah. Ay!
Open it.
Wow!
Ella, open it.
That's enough gift
Wow!
for all.
Buksan mo. Ganda niyan.
It's enough gift.
Ito nakuha kong gift bag. My weakness.
Oh.
Thank you. Kilala mo na kung sino ka. Ganda, oh. Lagayan ng ano.
Look, Daddy. I
Wow.
got this is a butterfly.
Ang
Why
ganda.
did the trees don't get lipsticks?
No?
Mm.
Daddy, we're done. Well, what should we do?
Ay, balik mo na.
Open this.
Saka na natin gagamitin yan.
If the kinetic stand is for Ella,
Ang ganda ng
if the
bag.
kinetic stand is for Ella, there's no toys that I can use without batteries. Just this. This is a lipstick for me. That's enough. Is it?
Grabe.
So what should I do?
Ang ganda naman nito.
Mommy, Daddy, what
Yung
should
favorite
I do?
color ko pa.
I want to use it.
So what will you say to everyone? Please?
Please like and subscribe.
No, say thank you.
Thank you, and please like and subscribe. And Happy New Year.
Uy, meron pa ako remaining dun, oh. One more. My name only, ha?
That one, the first one. Yeah.
And who was the second one?
No, that's for
Wow.
someone.
Thank
That's
you.
for mommy's friend.
What? Why is it sitting in our Christmas tree?
Oh
Why?
my God. Thank you, Miss M.
It's some.
Oh.
Meron siyang gift card.
Oh, that's good. It's
Yay.
Japanese seafood.
Oh, put it in your lips na. Let's see. Oh, be careful, hindi ganyan, anak.
What? I never.
Sus! Ay, sus! Oh, natatapon naman.
This will
Oh.
make me cry. This will make me soft. I
Mm.
don't know how. Why is you going to use
It,
lipstick?
Ay! Arte!
Daddy, what should I
May
do
anak ka ng
now?
maarte.
What should I do now?
Mm. Ay, sus. Oh, show it to Tita Sherry. Go na. Go.
What should I do?
Oh, close it
What
muna.
should I do, Daddy?
Oh, show it to Tita Sherry.
What should I do? What
Oh,
should I do?
Go upstairs. Show it to Tita Sherry.
But you said I'll get iPad.
Go. Good morning, ka-dreamers.
Morning.
Oh, it's Christmas today. What will you say?
Please like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas!
And a Happy New Year.
Oh, how about you, Ella? So yun guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa church. Yan yung way namin papunta. Mga 5 minutes lang, di ba, Daryl? natin yung start ngayon. Yun yung Christmas mass. So, sana may parkingan pa. Medyo late na kami. Ulit. Pero sana madami pa rin space. Ganda ng bahay na to. So, tara, titignan natin. Did you have fun yesterday?
Yeah.
Opening the gifts? What will you say to everyone who gave you the gift? Louder, please.
Thank you for everyone that gave me this.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dreamers. Welcome to your channel.
Channel. Welcome to our channel.
I want to tell you something.
Mm.
I'm the most handsome boy in the world.
Wala, sino nagsabi niyo? Hindi nga sinabi ng nanay mo. Ikaw lang nagsabi. Oh, where are we going?
Canadian Tire.
You're gonna tour them?
I want Rubik's Cube.
So you're gonna tour the Ka-Dreamers to Canadian Tire.
But how can you get Rubik's Cube? Buy Rubik's Cube. Buy Rubik's Cube.
How about Banban? Where are you going?
I want to Canadian Tire.
Ay, tuko, Canadian Tire daw. So, madulas talaga ang daan. Tignan nyo yung daan namin. Yan o. Masyadong... Kakagaling ko lang sa work, guys. So, yes, may work ako ng every other Sunday. Then, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa Canadian Tire. May titignan. Tapos, mag-grocery ng kaunti. Kasi wala na kaming mailuto. Or, tinatamad lang kaming mag-defrost ng karne. Yun. Naghahanap si Daryl na lulutuin niya yung mabilisan lang daw. Kasi cook naman si Daryl, pero cook ng ano lang, prito. Di ba?
Fast food.
Fast food.
Mabilis ang food.
Yun lang. Punta muna tayo sa Canadian Tire kasi may titignan akong organizer para dun sa ano, ilalim ng ano. Gusto kong maayos yung ilalim ng lababo sa ano, washroom. Maaraw siya pero maano yung lamig niya, kaya wag kang magtitiwala. Pag maaraw, kala mo medyo ano, hindi. Minsan yung mga maaraw, yan yung mga ano, malalamig, no? Yan. Diba? Tumidumi ni Ola.
Dumi na nga ng puti.
Nagkaskas ka ba kay ano, Asher?
Eh, ginamit ko kahapon. Pero ngayon hindi ko pa nakaskas.
Pero pinaano mo siya, binuhay mo siya kanina.
Hindi ko pa nabuhay.
Ay naku, sana sinabi mo, para nabuhay ko na lang pala kanina. May mga ka-work ako na hindi daw mandar yung sasakyan nila eh. Kalimutan nilang isaksak. Doon ako
Sabi naman,
natatakot.
saksak na ilang oras. Siguro mga tatlo bago umalis.
So nag-ano na siya doon sa reset.
Kasi abang nakasaksak pa yung kaya.
Alog ngayon ang ano, kalsada. So sa north ng Canadian Tire kami pupunta, guys.
Hindi lang tayo sa malaki.
Oo, hindi tayo pupunta ng south or sa east. Ayoko nang bumalik ng east. Kakagaling ko lang doon eh. Ayan, tignan nyo. Oh, diba? Maaraw siya. So, dito tayo. Madulas. Ay, dapat trinay mo na palang ilagay yung ano, panglagay ng cellphone kay ano, Asher. Ayun. How are you? What did you do kanina while mommy is away? What did you do?
Daddy sleeping us.
Daddy is sleeping again? Oh, about Banban.
Yeah, and my brother. I
Wow.
lost the
Are you playing together?
Fighting together.
Fighting together. Everyday routine. So yan, pag ano, may aso't pusa na kami. Lagi, guys. Laging nag-aaway. May Ella parang inaantok. Are you sleepy,
No,
Ella?
I was not sleeping because it's a daytime.
Dayton. But you need to do a power nap, anak.
But how can you do a power nap if you're not sleepy?
At least 30 minutes.
30 minutes? That's too long.
Yeah.
No, 25 minutes.
25 minutes? Okay,
No,
tumawad ka
22
pa ha.
minutes.
Ay naku, tawad ka.
I said 22 minutes.
Okay, sige na. You say bye na muna.
Bye. I can eat it higher.
Guys, dito na tayo sa Canadian Tire. Kaya nga, kawawa din naman.
I want Rubik's
Hindi
Cube.
napapanda.
I want Rubik's Cube.
Malamang.
I want Rubik's Cube. Please, Mommy.
Are you sure daw that this is Canadian Tire? You ask your kuya.
Yeah, it says Canadian Tire.
Naninigurado pa tong si Ella. Grabe siya. So, dito may mga mixed. Ay, Daryl, meron pala dito. O, mga to. Mga naka-sale pa. Ay, malalim pala nito. Malalim pala tong.
It is not
Bulsa
the
ko.
area. This is not the area.
No? Bakit yung kanina hindi?
Stop checking.
Titingin ako dito.
Surprise. When I'm done checking. Done checking.
Ito yung pang ano, oh. Oo. Saan kaya yun? Yung ano. Wait. Ay, oo, dun sa magic ano nila, computer nila.
Magic computer.
Guys, mga sale na to. Ito dating 29.17 na lang. Good. Clearance. Uy, parang gusto ko to pay din. I think I wanted to buy this.
Yeah, the
What?
surprise.
What? Mat ban? Oh, kuya daw.
And let's go to the other side. I don't want to do it.
Ang dami nito.
I don't want to do it because Ella hurts me. So I don't do it. I don't do it for Ella because Ella hurts me. Maybe it'll be a
Daming
trip.
sale.
One eternity later.
So, ayun guys, hindi namin nahanap yung bibilhin sana namin.
I'm going to do something at my Rubik's Cube.
So, pupunta na lang daw kami ng superstore.
Ah!
What, Ella? Yan guys, na abutan kami ng train dito. Because of the train, anak. May train po, kuya.
How when it will be done? It's taking too long. I'm boring. I'm bored.
You're always bored naman kahit hindi tayo na traffic. Style mo. Tingnan niyo yung snow na naipon. Grabe, kabundok na, no? Malapit nang abutan yung puno. So, yun. Real Christmas trees.
Oh, 120 dito. Oh, yung gas. Oh, parang ano, post ko lang yun. 119 or 116 doon dito. 120.
Ay, oo nga. Pwede. Mga after ilang minutes, sabihin mo.
Ano yun?
Ito. Na natigil tayo. Ha? 5, no?
Siguro 7.
7. Ganun. Kalagitnaan pa yun, guys, ah. So, dyan yung dumadaan ng train. Kala mo yung co-op, parang Canadian Tire, eh. Same na red sila. Kasi Ella sabi niya, is this Canadian Tire? So, yan, guys. Uwian na din, kaya ganito, ma-traffic na. Rush hour. Yeah, we're going to Canadian Tire tuloy. What do you call that? Yes, correct. So guys, dito na kami sa Superstore. Wala bang ano dyan? Ay, may gusto mo kumuha ka ng cart? I-cart na lang natin siya.
Malamig yung cart dito. Dala lang sa loob.
Okay.
Mainit.
A few moments later.
Ay, so yan guys, magbabayad na tayo. Paano magbabayad?
One eternity later.
So guys, tapos na kami sa Superstore. Pumunta naman kami ngayon ng Shoppers para bumili ng gamot. Tignan nyo, oh. Sobrang lamig, kaya ganyan nagkaka-randomiro yung side ng minus 32. Ganun siya kalamig. So, start na naman ng mga sasakyang hindi maandar. Nakakaloka. Baba na tayong lahat na lang?
Oh.
Okay. Bilisa lang din ako ng gamot ko. Mukha naman. Oh, basta. Guys, lilinisan ko muna si Asher dito. Papasok na sila. Paandarin mo muna.